And Galesburg traffic, Cessna 52 Mike Echo is short final, runway 21, Galesburg.
And Malibu, 52 Delta's on a downwind, runway 21, Galesburg.
Look at all the airplanes. This is cool because the wing camera is going to be beautiful. Look at all them airplanes. Oh, look at this. Howdy, Stearmans. Make room for Kelly and Mark.
Cherokee, downwind for runway 21, about 3 miles out.
There we go.
Galesburg, Navy 404, long final for 21, got the Malibu on final.
Oh, you made me proud. That was a good one.
I'm glad
That was a good one.
Galesburg.
That was a good one. Yeah, go ahead and hit her brakes if you get off on B. There's Stearman.
Final, runway 21, Galesburg. 3 green.
Sweet.
404, short final for the grass, has the Malibu in sight.
Galesburg traffic, this is Cherokee, downwind for runway 21.
And Galesburg traffic, 52 Mike Echoes, clear of all runways at Bravo to the ramp, Galesburg.
Park our ass.
What's
Clear out
coming
here.
in? What? He's pointing us in the grass. Turkey.
Oh, he's going to park us right there.
Galesburg traffic, red yellow right Stearman over the rail yards on a 45, left downwind 21.
And Galesburg, flight of 2 Stearmans is departing 21 grass. American 47.
Okay.